Hello everyone, we're group 3. Today we're going to be talking about Dolly the Sheep. Dolly was the first animal cloned from an adult cell. She was a huge scientific discovery. She changed the lives of many people and the way many industries practice on a day-to-day basis. She made commercial farming for certain plants and animals much more sustainable than it previously was. She spawned many scientific studies in the wake of her life. Dolly's research offers us the potential to not only control the population of species that are currently on our planet today, but she also gives us the potential to save certain species from the brink of extinction or endangerment.
Hello, my name is Ivan, and today I'm going to be discussing why scientists decided to conduct an experiment on Dolly the sheep. But first, a quote from Ian Wilmot. "It is difficult to imagine a greater imposition than adding genes to future generations that changes the nature of future people." Dolly was used in a practice to transfer genes that provided beneficial proteins into both sheep and cattle, allowing their dairy to create medicinal benefits such as preventatives in blood clotting, but also preventatives in cystic fibrosis and other lung diseases found in humans. In addition to this, her studies have been used in creating sustainable farming, more specifically, Mickey Mouse Sustainable Farming at Disney Epcot, where scientists have been able to use cloning techniques to create and sustain farming and agriculture. Example of this is a new plant growing technique called hydroponics, in which plants are grown without using soil, but instead nutrient solutions in a water solvent. Cloning also has the ability to save endangered species by cloning the remainder of that species and using them for breeding purposes. Likewise, it can be used in game population control by using similar methods in replenishing the hunting game animals such as deer.
Hi, I'm Leslie and I'll be speaking about why Dolly was so important. She was the first mammal to be cloned from an adult cell. She was born on July 5th of 1996, and on her first birthday she was diagnosed that her telomeres were shorter than usual. This meant that she was older in age than a usual sheep. She has 6 lambs. Her first was Bonnie, her twins Sally and Rosie, her triplets Lucy, Darcy, and Cotton. After her birth in the year 2000, she developed Jackson sheep retrovirus. In the year 2001, she developed arthritis. In the year 2003, she developed a cough, which resulted in tumors growing in her lungs. She was put to sleep on February 14, 2003.
Hi, my name is Sedena Ward, and I'm going to be speaking on the impact that Dolly the sheep has had on other countries and the scientific world. In particular, South Korea. South Korea has begun to clone pets for the healthy sum of $100,000. Here in the United States, one of our very own, Barbara Streisand, has taken advantage of this by cloning 2 of her 3 beloved pets. Her pets are genetically identical, yet they have 2 distinct personalities. So you see, for the healthy sum of $100,000, you too can have your precious Buffy immortalized. Now let's take a look at the scientific world. In the scientific world, Shinya Yamanaki has won a Nobel Prize for his work in stem cells. His work in stem cell has led to better donor transplants. His work has been cited on the website nobelprize.org. Dolly the sheep has impacted the pharmaceutical world. Dolly has impacted the pharmaceutical world by the research in cystic fibrosis, Parkinson's disease, and leukemia, thereby making medications better for these patients. So you see, Dolly has had impact in pet cloning, stem cell research, and in the area of pharmaceuticals.
Dolly was more than a personal achievement for the scientists that discovered and created her. She changed the way people thought and the way industries practiced on a day-to-day basis. If not for Dolly, the way we consume and receive products on a day-to-day basis would be dramatically different. Dolly changed the lives of everyone in the world, and without Dolly, everyone would have a very different life without her. She shocked the world and changed the perception of what was humanly possible for all of us, even outside of the realm of science.